back. Well, I just attended the opening of the meeting, the official opening of the meeting, but let me tell you about yesterday. You'll hear about today's meeting later on today or tomorrow morning after we have the technical expertise of my technical director who's here with me on this trip, Jamie Brown. But anyway, yesterday we were lucky enough to snag an interview with Serge Resnikoff, one of the main movers and shakers at this meeting, who's a representative from the World Health Organization. However, after we were lucky enough to get the interview with Serge, we were lucky enough to look around Buenos Aires and come across this and this. After Serge's brief 5-minute interview, you'll be able to see a little bit more of what we were able to come across in Buenos Aires. So here we have Serge Resnikoff from the World Health Organization. Well, hi everybody. We got lucky right off the bat. We were able to snag Dr. Resnikoff for an interview. He'll say a few words. Serge Resnikoff is, first of all, I want to thank you. Over the years, Serge has been a One World Sight Project advisor and has been very instrumental in helping support us. Serge is here we're in the Hotel Panamericano in Buenos Aires, and we're at the 8th general session for the International Agency for the Prevention of Blindness. Serge gave a lot of the keynote speeches this morning, and he's here representing the World Health Organization. What is your position with the World Health Organization?
Actually, I'm working in the WHO, the World Health Organization, in the area of the non-communicable disease and health promotion, and prevention of blindness activities are part of that agenda.
I see. Now, give us a feeling for the background, give us a little perspective, because I heard you here talking about something called H8 this morning, which was very interesting to me. It was sort of like the G8 group, analogous to the G8 group.
Yes, this is something which is under development, where the major organizations involved in health around the world are getting together in the same way as the major economic power are coming together to discuss matters of common interest. And this is obviously something which is quite new, because previously all the major organizations were working more kind of in isolation. And actually what is happening at the global level with this big organization is exactly the same kind of thing that is what is happening within IAPB, where all the major organizations involved in prevention of blindness are getting together and having discussion and to see how they can work together more effectively.
How are we in the field of eye care, how are we organized in relation to other healthcare issues?
I think this is a very important question, because one of the weaknesses in the prevention of blindness area is that we are seen very much like a small niche of people addressing indeed a very important issue. I think no one challenges the fact that being blind is a big problem. The difficulty that we have is somehow to think a little bit out of that box and to get connected to the other big public health issues. And this is probably something that within the Vision 2020 area, we need to work more about that.
Are we successful at setting up sustainable programs so that once we provide this care, it can be sustained over time?
There is a lot of very good examples of places where this kind of sustainable, with a long-term sustainability that has been achieved. The problem is that it always depends on the local economic system. So what is working in one place cannot be just copied and pasted in another place. It can be used as an inspiration, but it has always need to be designed according to the local situation.
So we are making some progress over the years, over the past 5 or 10 years, as far as the number of blind and increasing the number of overall cases we do?
Yes, there has been a documented reduction in the number of people blind, and there is obviously a lot of progress that is being made. But again, there are still pockets of population that are somehow neglected, that this is where we need to focus our efforts.
Thank you for taking these few minutes. I know you're pretty busy. Everyone wants to talk to you.
And I wish you all the best. Thank you. And thank you for your support. Thank you.
A soccer game in Buenos Aires, Sunday afternoon. What can be better? This is how old Buenos Aires relaxes on a Sunday afternoon.
And of course, tango in the streets.
Encontrarte con amor, no sé si por mi bien o si esta vez para llorar.